Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a brand new day. This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. I'm not going to use the word shall. We will rejoice in it. So thank you. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Medilok and I'm blogging from the northern part of Nigeria. If today is your first time of viewing my videos, clicking my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And on this channel we talk about things that give us simple solution to life. You understand? Are you faced with circumstances, situations in your life that you felt you have come to, you've tried everything, you have been praying, you're binding, you're casting, you have used all your what you can think about? Why not join us here on this channel? Let us learn one or two things on how to improve on things happening to us in our lives. Yes. All right guys, today, because of the way people ask me questions and some of the things, I have come up today with one quick simple solution today to eradicate poverty, empty hand. Before the end of the month you are broke, you are doing business, you're always you're squandering or you're spending your profit, and then you're eating your capital. It is not okay. You understand? When you begin to make some money, that is when problems that will swallow that money from your hand, they will start calling you on phone. They will start visiting you. They will start coming your way, whether you like it or not. You cannot have savings. There is nothing to your name. You have spent years and years in that city, in that town where you are, in that business, in that job, and yet there is nothing to show for what you have been earning. You work in an office, you are a big executive officer, and your messengers, cleaners are owning properties, but you have nothing except that phone and that car that you're riding. Something is wrong. And when you have done everything, you understand, and nothing seems to work, why not try this simple remedy? I think I've discussed something like this. It's embedded in one of my videos, but I want to reiterate. I have to emphasize it, put it on the table and emphasize it again for us to understand, and especially for the benefit of those that are just watching our video for the first time. Please subscribe to my channel. I can see you have been watching my video all this while. You watch my video and you move on. Why? And you don't give me thumbs up anymore. Why now? How can 1,000 people watch my video? Or let me say 5,000 people watch my video, only 1,500 will give me thumbs up. It means you guys are not giving me thumbs up. Why? What will it take from you? Yes. Will it deduct something from your credit account? Will they minus money from your pocket when you give me thumbs up? Will it reduce blood from your body? Just give me thumbs up now. Subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up. That is all. All right guys, today I want to talk to us about coconut, the spiritual, how do I call this topic? The spiritual implications or the spiritual benefits of washing your hands with coconut water. Yes, but this one is going to be, it's not going to be a regular one that you understand. You are not going to do this like a regular one that you know. Yes, I told us last time, if you have not seen that my video on how to break spiritual benefits of coconut breaking, go and watch that one video. Okay, please, when you break coconut, let me hold it in my hand so that you can see very well. When you break coconut, it breaks everything that militates itself against the knowledge of God in your life. Anywhere the enemies are bearing things, hanging things, doing things in your name, calling your name for evil, when you once in a while form the habit of breaking coconut, those powers of the enemy over your life will be broken. And peradventure you are faced with spirit of poverty. You are always broke. You don't have money in your hand. You're always down there financially. Let me lift my hand up so you can see. You're always down. You understand? You don't have savings. Your business, you're spending your capital. People are owing you left and right. When it is your own goods, they want to buy it on credit. But when they go to another place, they pay even before supply. Why? So today I want to show us something that will bring an end to that, and that is forming the habit of washing your hand with coconut water. Wash your hand with coconut water. Just get coconut, and then you open the eye of the coconut. I think, yes, this is the eye of the coconut. You can see this is the eye. You open this one. When you open this one, then you pray over it. Ask God for mercy. By strength shall no man prevail. By your wisdom, you can't go anywhere. Had it been people make money by muscle, by strength, all these bouncers, they won't be guarding anybody. Yes, now, they will not be following people and be guarding them. Bouncers will have more money than any other person. It is not about muscle. Spirituality is not physical, but physical is controlled by spirituality. You understand? So you have money now, you are doing business, things are okay. Why not begin to wash your hand with coconut water once in a while? Okay, you can do it in the morning, you can do it in the evening. All right, just wash your hands and then you'll be praying over it. Oh God in heaven, let money not dry from my hand. As you put the coconut in your hand, you keep washing your hand. You can get someone that will be dropping it for you. And even if you cannot get somebody, you can break. If you cannot just be extracting this and washing it like that, you can open it, pour the water in a cup. You understand? And then use it to wash your hand. Use it to wash your hand. You understand? Oh God in heaven, let finances continue to be in my hand, in my account, in my business, in my name. Yes, let finances continue to be in my name. Yes. You can be working for somebody. The person will have millions of naira or dollars or pound sterling or whichever denomination you have in your nation. But that money is not in your name. What about the one for your own name? You understand? Invoke these things. When you invoke them, they will come to be in your life. You understand? Situations and circumstances cannot make you broke when you know the principles of spirituality. Yes. All right, guys. I want to show you guys how to use she. Yes. Female. I told you guys last time how to grab your husband. How to grab your man. Be extra good ahead of your other competitors, when it comes to your man. So some of you have been buying this, so I want to show you guys how to use it. Okay, get spoon. You understand? Get spoon, get your honey. You have to take it with honey. You take the shea with honey. You understand? The one for the female, the one for the women. Yes, this is my own. Okay, I kept mine here. This has been long. You understand? I kept it for you can store it for a very long time. Doesn't matter. You just put some quantity, you know, on the spoon. You drop some quantity on the spoon. Are you seeing this? You see how small it is? Very small. So, small but mighty. You understand? I can't open this honey with one hand. Let me open the honey. I don't need it anyway, but I'm just I'm just trying to like demonstrate it to you guys how to use it. Ladies, get your honey, you know, just a little drop of your honey. That is all. See? Very small, very small. You can see it, very small. So, like in my own case, I like to like turn it round, you know, like this with the honey, mix it together, and then you just lick it. In fact, this one I even put this much. That's all. That's all. You've taken your shea. And this shea for women, I put 2 in 1. Like this one now. I mix the 2 together so that instead of buying and paying for 2, you pay just for 1, and it gives you the service of 2. So it's 2 powers together. All right, so if you have not placed order for your own shea yet, what are you waiting for? Place order for your own. Okay, and the quantity I'm even sending to you is bigger than this. Yes, so you can use it for a very long time. And then the manpower too is for men. That one you don't need to put milk. I'm not a man, so I cannot demonstrate that one here. Just get a teaspoon, take a teaspoon, pour it inside a warm water, cup of water. Pour the teaspoon inside, stir it together, and then drink it. Don't put milk. Yes, and if you are not very strong down there before, or you are impotent, then you take it every day. It's treatment. But if you're already strong, go. But you just want to like, because you are greedy, you want to stay longer, want to scatter somebody's daughter, please. So you can take it any day you want to go to the other room, okay? But if you know your lady is not going to cooperate, don't take it. Don't say, make the Lord say you should take it. Don't take it. But this thing does not have side effect. It is natural. Yes, it does not have side effect. It is a natural product, okay? So you can use it and it is safe, all right? But it's 100% guarantee. Doesn't disappoint. Yes. All right, if you are a lady, you are the one watching this video, you can buy it for your husband. Help your ministry, help your home. Yes. Yes, now. All right, thank you. Bye. Love you all.